What's up, guys?
Welcome back to my channel, and we are here again. I'm with my little son Zeke. And for today's video, we are going to unbox our new Macbook Air M5. So before we unbox, what are we gonna do?
Fit check.
Okay, go Zeke.
Okay,
Let's see.
so first of all, we got some gray pants, black Nike tech, and then a Real Madrid jersey.
Of course, a soccer fan.
Yep.
And for mommy's fit check, not much. Just a white t-shirt and what is this? Is this Urban Planet, Zeke? What is it?
I'm
My
not
bear.
sure.
Just a barrel jeans, barrel pants. Okay. I think we should do an ASMR, right?
Yeah, I
Right?
think so.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do
Hello.
it.
I'm just
How do you
fixing my
look
hair.
We are also shooting in our new camera, the Insta360 Go Ultra.
We have
Right,
it.
Zeke?
Mm-hmm.
Are you excited?
Yep.
Yeah. You can also follow Zeke in his channel. What's your channel's name?
Kind of forgot.
Zucchini what?
I think Zucchini the monkey.
Oh my gosh. We're just gonna link it down below.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do ASMR.
What's up, guys? Bruh. Okay.
Good, good. Is that how you do ASMR?
No, I'm not even gonna.
You're not even gonna try? Okay, so that's the MacBook Air. Yeah, we're so excited. This is our first MacBook Air ever.
The Apple logo.
Yes, of course.
5
So
M5
sabi
chip.
dito, it's M5 chip, and it's 16 gig memory, 512 gig storage. And this is the 13-inch MacBook Air. Right, Zeke?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's my Okay. Let's
All right, let's do this. Wow, that sounded so satisfying.
I'm gonna put that there.
Mhm.
And then
Wow! O, edi ikaw na, naka-MacBook. Ikaw na pose. Flip it.
let's flip it like that.
Flip, flip, flip.
Mm-hmm.
So why is it situated like that? Kasi they're showing that it's actually very thin.
Yep, I think
Yeah,
so.
how it is.
And that's
Oh
the.
my gosh, what is this?
I think that's like the. Forgot. It's like the magnet. MagSafe, yeah.
MagSafe?
Yeah, there's MagSafe, I think, in this.
Here?
Yeah, no, it's part of it.
Oh, it's part of it, okay.
Here.
MagSafe is like, you can, whoa. Cool. So show the accessories first.
Let's put this down here.
Why upside down? Don't put it upside down.
Okay. I'm just gonna. So we got the charger here.
Mm-hmm.
It's black.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, and by the way, this color of this MacBook is black. And then
It's called Midnight. I think
Same
it's called
thing.
Midnight. Same thing.
I
You're
guess.
funny, bro.
What's this?
So I think that's just a certification, right?
Let me see.
Yeah. Or
Oh, there's a guide.
It's a guide.
Oh, oops.
Let's see.
So, so we got the Touch ID, the power button here. Then that's the Force Touch trackpad.
Hmm.
And then we got this, bada bang, bada boom. Headphone jack, MagSafe 3, which is this.
Mm-hmm.
Thunderbolt 4, USB-C. And yeah, that's pretty much it.
Wait, isn't this my MacBook?
I know, but I'm still unboxing it.
For me, you're doing me a favor.
Yes. I don't know what
Thank you.
this is though.
That's okay.
That's
I
fine.
think it's just certifications and some stuff.
Oh yeah.
Oh, check that one. Oh, it's not the big one anymore.
Oh,
Interesting.
it's a folding one.
Mm-hmm. I mean,
It's
okay.
It's pretty good though. It's cool. Cause
it used to be the big block, right?
and like a very big one like that.
Yeah. Oh,
Oh,
that's
sure.
okay. It's more portable, so it's fine.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
No, I think that's it.
I guess let's move on.
Let's move on to the
Actual MacBook.
MacBook. Ah.
So first things first, just put that there.
Okay.
Now
Okay. ASMR.
you put this upside down. Yeah.
Wow. Careful. Careful, Zeke.
Whoa.
It's okay.
Oh, it's sticky. I'll just put that down there. Shall
Open it up.
we?
Yeah, of course. Do it.
Oh wait, wrong way. That was pretty cool.
Okay, remove the...
Ready? Ready, guys? Oh wait.
Yes, hello. Our very first
Hola.
MacBook.
Hello.
It's hello.
Bonjour. Okay, ready?
English.
I gotta do English. Oh, I forgot this.
English.
That's the Touch ID, right? Canada.
So that's it, guys. So mga specs nitong what is the specs
It's right here.
for the...
I think it's in there.
Can you grab my phone? Where's my phone?
It's right there.
So for the specs of this MacBook Air, let's see.
Hi guys.
You're so funny. So the 2026 MacBook Air M5 is a high-performance, AI-focused laptop featuring the M5 chip. So mas mabilis siya. It's mas mabilis siya kaysa sa 2025, which is the M4, right? See?
The M4 chip.
Yeah, and it's 16 gig base memory and double base storage of 512 gig. So you can upgrade it up to 4 terabytes. So it's available in 13-inch and 15-inch, but we got the 13-inch.
Instead.
Yes. So it offers 18-hour battery life as well, and it's ultra slim, lightweight. Yun.
Very light.
So what are we gonna use this for? It's okay.
Very light though.
Yeah, what are we gonna use this for? Our MacBook.
We could use it for like. We're gonna use it for
Editing our videos. What else? For
we can
schoolwork. You can use it for schoolwork. You can use it for office work.
You can also game on this if you want to.
That's a no for me.
Yesterday.
You have your PC, so you can game in your PC.
I know, but if we travel,
True. Sure. I'll let you game when we travel.
or buy the gaming computer.
But you can't travel with that. That's not portable.
It is. No, like the small ones.
Of course. Expensive kid.
They're not expensive.
Yes, you are. So that's
opening
it.
this.
Yeah, just opening all the accessories.
I already opened this one. It's pretty cool. So this one has 40 watts,
Mm-hmm.
And instead of like the big boy,
Do you think this is better than the old one? The old one is like the bigger.
I think
bigger
this
block.
is more portable though.
Yes, it's
And then-
portable. That's the only thing that. Oh wow!
It's like very strong in doing.
See, it's very strong.
Kind of like strong. Don't break it, Mama.
Parang meron siyang spring from the inside, right, Zeke?
Mhm.
That's cool. So it says 40
Also, just to let
watts.
you guys know that I only understand Filipino. I don't speak it.
Of course.
I'm not good at speaking Filipino.
You have to learn it.
This is kind of weird. I would expect that the
It's
this-
white.
Yeah, it's white. Look, the whole entire
The
cable
whole-
is black. Even this part,
Yeah.
charging port. But this, it's still white. I don't know why. Let's put that there.
But because this is white, the charging block
I
is
guess,
white.
but like,
So you put it in here. You plug it in that little hole, that USB-C. This
you-
USB-C, right?
yes, USB-C.
And then that one will be plugged into your.
I think this one also, the MacBook also has
To your
USB-C
MacBook.
too, right? Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it does have two
And then you have your charger from
USB-Cs.
here.
So guys, thank you for watching our short but sweet unboxing video. We will see you in the next what?
Video?
In the next video. So marami pa tayo mga videos. We're going to travel a lot. This year meron tayong mga naka-line up na travels. Meron pa tayong mga hindi na unbox na mga jewelry. Right, see? So we're gonna do that. And that's it for now. Bye!
Bye!